Good morning, friends. This is the online classes, and this is the Kiran sir's voice. In last period, we were discussing about the Robinson Crusoe. This is the new lesson for you, and actually, we are discussing about the till I could. So, when we are discussing the Robinson Crusoe struggling more there, and hurled out the sand, and he felt the night on the tree. So till here we discussed it in the last video. Now see the next. In the morning I looked out across the sea, and there was our ship a quarter of a mile away from the shore. So Robinson Crusoe slept on the tree in a whole night, and in the morning when he woke up, he found that the ship having their quarter miles away from him. I came down the tree and found a stream where I drank some of cool fresh water. So actually he came down the tree, नीचे आए और वहाँ पे he find the tree stream where I drank some of the cool fresh water. So regarding that, पेड़ के ऊपर सोने होने के कारण वो नीचे आए, और नीचे आने के बाद उन्होंने स्ट्रीम का वहाँ से फ्रेश वाटर उन्होंने पिए. आई ले डाउन एंड स्लेप्ट अगेन. वो गिर गए और से सोने लगे. द सन वॉज हाई इन द स्काई when I woke up, and when he second time woke up, there having the sun is high. I resolved means सर्वे ब्रिंग टू एंड. आई रिजोल्व सारी चीज़ों का सर्वे करना वहाँ पर टापू पर. आई रिजोल्व टू गो आउट टू द शिप, एंड एक्चुअली देर इज़ अ हैविंग अ शिप quarter of mile. So when he woke up the Robinson Crusoe, he want to find some things. That's why he resolved to go out to the ship. शिप पर जाना था कुछ चीज़ों को लाने के लिए. And try and bring back some things which would be useful to me on the island. And he have to bring the some things. This is the helpful on the land. So that's why he want to decide to go on the ship and bring some things. Okay, till here you can understand properly, I hope so. Now see the next paragraph. I plunged into the sea. Plunge यानी throw into, समंदर में चले जाना. I plunged into the sea and made for the ship. At last, after a hard swim, I managed to reach it and discover a rope hanging over the side. So on that ship he want to go there, and he succeed there, and actually he finding the rope there. Rope यानी डोर, बड़ा वसा. He find the rope because there is a hanging a rope, and he want to climb on the ship. So that's why he finding there, he discover a rope there. With great difficulty, I pulled myself up and roped reached the deck. And actually, with the help of the rope, he climbed on the ship and reached the deck. What is the mean by deck? Deck, various platform built into a vessel or big boat. या शिप पर जो बोट पर वो डेक बना होता है, दिस इज द डेक. दिस इज द प्लेटफॉर्म ऑफ द बोट. दिस इज कॉल्ड द डेक. And actually he reached there on the deck. The storm had managed everything. तूफान ने सब कुछ मैनेज करके रखा था. There were broken masts, broken pole. There were broken masts and torn sails, फटे हुए sails भी वहाँ पे थे, and pieces of rope all over the ship. When he reached on the deck, he found so many things there. There is a mast also, torn sails also, and piece of the ropes he see there. I went down into the cabin and found an axe, and he decided to reach in the cabin and found an axe यानी कुल्हाड़ी. कैबिन में घुसे और उन्होंने एक कुल्हाड़ी फाइंड आउट की. ऑन डेक अगेन आई कट द मास्ट, और डेक पर चढ़ने के बाद उन्होंने कुछ ब्रोकन पोल्स को काटे, एंड रोप एंड मेड माई सेल्फ ए स्मॉल राफ्ट, एंड आफ्टर दैट with the help of the mast he made a small rafts यानी तराफा, जिसे हम फ्लैट फ्लोट भी बोल सकते हैं. दिस इज द तराफा. he making there the raft using for coming back to the land. I managed to get this raft into the sea and tie it to the vessel with a rope. So according to that, Robinson Crusoe made a small raft there using the mast and topsails and pieces of the rope. Actually, he found on the axe on the deck and he made a raft there and managed to get a raft to the sea. समंदर में राफ्ट डालने के वो मैनेज किया, एंड आफ्टर दैट ही टाई इट टू द वेसल विथ अ रोप, और अपनी राफ्ट को इस वेसल से, बड़ी वाली बोट से, जहाज से उन्होंने बांधा. आई फाउंड सम ऑफ द सीमेन बॉक्सेस ऑन बोर्ड एंड फिल देम विथ स्टोर्स. उसने देखा कि वहाँ पर कुछ सामान छुटा हुआ है, वो सारे बाकी के जो सीमेंस था उनका था. व्हाट इज विच आर दे? देर आर हैविंग अ ब्रेड, राइस, चीज एंड सम वाइन. सो दिस आर द थिंग्स ही गॉट देयर. I also found some cloths, and in the captain cabins 2 guns, a pair of pistols and some powder and shots. Actually he want to collect all things, bread, rice, cheese and wines, and actually he find some cloths there, and after that he find in the cabin 2 guns and pair of pistols and some powder and shot. Powder and shot, कुछ bullets भी उनको वहाँ पे मिले. All this I piled collection of the object. I piled on the raft. ये सारी चीज़ें उन्होंने राफ्ट पर चढ़ाई. and having found a broken oar, or this is the steer of boat, we can that this is the instrument moving the boat, this is called the oar. I cast off from the vessel. वेसल यानी स्मॉल बोट, स्मॉल शिप. उसके ऊपर जो भी थी, कास्ट ऑफ मीन्स टू सी, ऑब्जर्वेशन, बारकाई से निरीक्षण करना. जो भी चीज़ें थी उन्होंने वहाँ पे फाइंड आउट किए, एंड स्टार्टेड फॉर द शोर, और किनारे की तरफ जाने के लिए निकले. ही ऑब्जर्व द कास्ट ऑफ सो मेनी थिंग्स देयर. ही पुट ऑन द राफ्ट एंड want to go the seashore. When I reached the sand, I carried the things up onto dry land. वो सारी चीज़ें, I reached the sand, वो sand पर पहुँच गए, land पर पहुँच गए, and he see there the collection of things on the dry land. Okay students, till here today we stop. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.